am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. You say he been killing the vibe.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel, The Pro. So, if you are new, don't miss to click in the subscribe button and the like button and share to your friends. So, of course, many people play not Fortnite, Pubg Mobile. Yeah, for PC, they use emulator. they can use the Nox, Blue Sticks, Desert Gaming. I don't know why this is called like this, but you can use each of them. So, Desert Gaming body is a good emulator, but it uses most of RAM. As you can see here, look at that. This is EU. I don't know. Use much of memory. As you can see, 73. So what we gotta do is open the link below. I have this setup of processor hacker. So open the setup. Okay. Here we have legs and stop. Here and go to Android emulator. So select all of them and right click and EO priority and choose as you like, normal, high, low, very low, as you like. So I will choose low because I don't have much of memory. So continue and boom. Yeah. Okay. As you can see here, the server key processor hacker query has been created. Good. Now you can play PUBG as you like and play everywhere, every time. Don't worry about crashing, about anything. Play as you like. Of course, you must restart PUBG to get a result. Okay, I hope this video helps you. Don't miss to click the subscribe button and the like button, share to your friends, and thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.